Welcome to day 4 of the Flow into Balance Challenge. On day 1, we focused on grounding, learning how to root from the feet, soften the knees and feel stable and supported from the ground up. That grounding is the base of everything we do today. On day 2, we loosened the spine and introduced gentle spirals, restoring natural mobility through the back. And on day 3, we opened the chest and shoulders, allowing the breath to move more freely and the upper body to feel lighter. Today, we bring it all together. In this session, we focus on balance, gentle strengthening and mobilizing the hips and ankles, the roots of stable, confident movement. When the hips are free and the ankles are responsive, weight shifting becomes smoother, the legs grow stronger and the whole body starts to move as one. This is where Tai Chi starts to feel like Tai Chi, flowing without strain, like water finding its path. So take a moment to arrive, stand comfortably, soften your breath. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with a short recap from the previous days. Stand tall, hands in front of the belly. Soften the shoulders and ground the feet into the earth. Bring the mind to the lower dantian. Breathe deep into the abdomen. This grounding is essential for balance and Tai Chi stepping. For more detailed instructions, click the link on top of the screen. Now practicing Zhan, do not try too hard to control your thoughts. If the mind starts drifting away, gently redirect your focus to your lower belly. Now raise the arms into the holding the moon posture. Maintain posture awareness and keep the mind relaxed and centered. Slowly open the arms sideways. Guide the arms and the mind back to the center. Now let's continue. Bring the hands up and open them sideways, palms down. Then rotate to the left. Stretch the arms out and open the chest, palms up. Return to center and rotate to the right. Inhale as you twist and stretch. Exhale as you return to center. Keep posture upright and shoulders relaxed. Now close the movement and bring your attention back to the center. We continue making gentle fists and lift the hands up to stretch the whole body. Lower the arms and open the chest. Bring the hands together, lean forward and extend. Coil the arms in and return. Repeat. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, lower. Inhale, extend. Exhale, close. Inhale, extend again. Exhale, return to center. For more information, check the previous videos via the link above. Now finish the movement. With the next exercises, follow me by mirroring my movements. Move within your limits. If you feel pain, stop immediately and consult a health professional. Now we continue with shoulder circles. Inhale as the shoulders roll back. Exhale as they roll forward. Gently extend the dorsal spine as you move back. Softly flex the spine as you move forward. Change direction. Now circle the hips. Gently warm up the hip joints. Change direction, opening the hips and keep the breath natural. Now finish the movement. Bring your focus back to the center. This completes the recap. We continue with leg raises. Stand upright and grounded, hands on the hips. Lift your left leg without losing your posture. Lower it down. Change sides. Inhale as the leg lifts. Exhale as it lowers. Keep your hips aligned. Upper body relaxed and upright. Bring your focus to your center of gravity, just below the navel. Now lift your left leg and circle outward. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. Maintain posture and alignment. This exercise supports balance, strength and awareness for Tai Chi stepping. Breathe the same as before. Now we continue stepping left and right. Lift the left leg. Open the knee to the left and step out. Align the heels. Place the foot down in ground. Shift weight forward. Turn the hip. Push the right heel back. Both knees bend. Shift weight back. Turn left foot forward. Shift weight again to lift the right leg and repeat on the other side. Inhale as you step out. Exhale as you shift weight and turn the hip. Inhale, shift weight again. Exhale, turn the foot forward. Now let's continue practicing. Remember the grounding exercise. Keep your posture upright and relaxed throughout the movement. As you step out and shift weight, make sure the back knee stays aligned with the toes to prevent injury. Now we add the arm movements. Form a ball, right palm on top of the left. Posture upright and relaxed. Now step out to the left, and as you shift your weight forward, move the left hand in front of the chest, palm facing inward. The right hand stays beside the hip, palm facing down. Shift weight back and turn the front foot forward. Maintain the hands in the same position. Then shift weight again, gently rolling the palms as if holding a ball. And repeat to the other side. Breathing remains the same. Inhale as you step. Exhale as you shift weight. Inhale, shift again. Exhale, turn the hip and foot. Maintain posture. Do not overstretch the arms. Keep the movement circular, soft and controlled. Continue until the movement feels smooth and connected. Let's do a few more. Remember to keep your posture and shoulders relaxed. You're doing great. We continue with the next exercise. Keep holding the ball, left palm on top. Slowly raise the right knee. Gently extend the body upward. The right hand follows the knee, fingers at eye level, palm facing inward. Left hand rest at hip height, palm down. Then lower the leg with control. Form the ball again, right palm on top. Change sides. Inhale as the knee lifts. Exhale as you lower and change. Keep the ground softly lifting toward the sky. Standing leg rooted deep into the ground. This exercise improves balance, hip mobility and strength and introduces the gentle flowing feeling of Tai Chi. Now let's finish the exercise. Open the arms sideways, release and return your focus to the center. Now stand quietly, ground the feet, shoulders relaxed and deep abdominal breathing. Reflect on the practice. Allow the body to settle. Stay here for a moment. Well done! You just completed day 4 of the Flow into Balance challenge. So take a moment to notice how your body feels now, your balance, your legs, the sense of flow through the joints. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share what you noticed in today's practice. On day 5, we continue by exploring inner power, connecting stability and flow to a deeper sense of strength from within. If you enjoyed this session, please like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to share this video so more people can experience the benefit of gentle Tai Chi and mindful movement. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in day 5.